Hello kids, let's sing today. We will learn in a happy way. This is my head, it wears a cap before I go to bed. These are my eyes, they look at stars up in the skies. These are my ears, they love to listen songs and cheers. This is my nose, it smells the flowers and the rose. This is my mouth, it eats my food and talks out loud. These are my hands, they clap and draw upon the sand. These are my feet, they help me run so very sweet. Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning is fun, as you can see. Ooh.